The chainsaw sitting in your shed cost $35 to make. You paid $200. That $165 went into convincing you the badge mattered more than the cylinder coating. Americans spend $12 billion annually on outdoor power equipment, yet the manufacturing cost on a budget chainsaw stays locked between $35 and $60 per unit. The markup is not a mistake. That is the business model. When a brand charges $250 for a saw that costs $40 to produce, they are not selling you better engineering. They are selling you a story about better engineering. Sun Joe, $150 retail, $22 manufacturing cost. Craftsman and Remington follow the same playbook. Charge 6 to 8 times what it costs to make. Rely on the name your grandfather trusted instead of the carburetor inside. The construction tells you everything. The badge tells you nothing. Number 1 will completely change how you buy a chainsaw forever. Number 10. Husqvarna 135. A Swedish company founded as a musket factory in 1689 that has been cutting wood since 1959. The 135 retails for $230. The cylinder coating is Nickel, not marketing language. Actual electroplated nickel silicon carbide that is 4 times harder than the chrome coating on every budget saw in the same price range. Most brands at $230 use chrome cylinders that wear through between 200 and 400 hours. Husqvarna puts Nickel in a $230 homeowner saw and says nothing about it in the advertising. The construction does the talking. Homeowners bought it because the carburetor was rebuildable. Arborists recommended it because the cylinder lasted. Function over mythology, durability over branding theater. But this next brand took Japanese engineering discipline to another level. Number 9. Echo CS310. Why did sealed carburetors dominate budget chainsaws for 2 decades before anyone questioned them? Because the buyers never knew to ask. Echo did not follow that playbook. Founded in 1947 in Chiba, Japan, Echo has been assembling every chainsaw sold in North America at its plant in Lake Zurich, Illinois. Components manufactured in Japan. Assembly in America. The CS310 retails for $280. Nickel cylinder. Magnesium crankcase. Rebuildable carburetor. 5-year consumer warranty. No celebrity endorsements. No seasonal collections. Echo engineers solutions and prices them. Honestly, brands charging 5 times the manufacturing cost deliver mid-tier construction. Echo delivers professional construction and moves on. Number 8. Jonsered CS2252. Swedish engineering at $350 that matches $600 professional saws specification for specification. Jonsered built its reputation on logging equipment in Scandinavia. The engineering precision transferred directly to the CS2252. The platform is mechanically identical to the equivalent Husqvarna Rancher model. Same Nickel cylinder, same magnesium crankcase, same toolless chain tensioning, different housing color and a lower price. No logo embroidery, no lifestyle campaigns, clean professional design, reinforced chassis at every stress point. Husqvarna achieves significant margins on premium branding. Jonsered operates in the same engineering space at a lower price because the brand spends nothing on the story and everything on the saw. Wait until you see what number 7 does with German engineering. Number 7. Dolmar PS5105. German engineering. $420. The Dolmar PS5105 uses a Mala Nickel cylinder, the same component specification found in professional saws costing $900 and above. Dolmar was founded in Hamburg in 1927 as the company that invented the gasoline chainsaw. Acquired by Makita in 1991, production continues at the original Hamburg facility. No celebrity arborist campaigns, spending 40% of the retail price before the cylinder gets machined. Craftsman sells $230 saws with chrome cylinders that score at 40 hours. Premium pricing, disposable construction. Dolmar inverts that formula. Professional cylinder specification, honest construction. The price reflects the Mahaly component cost and the German manufacturing precision, not an advertising budget. Number 6. Husqvarna 450 Rancher, $500. Swedish engineering precision applied to the serious homeowner market. Husqvarna operates like a premium brand, but manufactures like a professional one. Nickel cylinder, magnesium crankcase, X-Torque engine technology that reduces fuel consumption by 20% versus conventional two-strokes. Construction details borrowed from professional logging saws, priced at $1,100, delivered at the cost of manufacturing, plus a margin that reflects what the components actually cost to produce. Craftsman charges $230 for a saw, with $45 manufacturing costs. Chrome cylinder, sealed carburetor, nylon chassis. Husqvarna inverts that spending ratio. Engineering research, durability testing across operating conditions. The price reflects what a chainsaw actually costs when a brand chooses construction over mythology. Number 5. Oregon Cordless CS250. They publish the component specification on the product page. Bar and chain, Oregon manufactured. Motor, brushless 40 volt. Battery capacity, published. Expected service life, documented. Every other budget brand hides those numbers because the math exposes the gap between the price and what is actually inside the box. Oregon manufactures the chains that go on steel and Husqvarna professional saws. The CS250 uses that same chain manufacturing standard in a battery platform built by the people who supply the industry. The difference? They show you the component specs instead of spending 40% of retail on advertising to convince you the markup is justified. Cost transparency eliminates pricing theater. But number 4 takes a completely different approach. Number 4. Tanaka TCS 33 EDTP. Japanese engineering discipline applied to the homeowner market. Nickel cylinder on a 33 cubic centimeter homeowner saw. Fully rebuildable Walbro carburetor. Professional grade anti-vibration system. Price point, $350 to $450. No celebrity endorsements. No flagship stores. The brand exists for buyers who understand construction language, cylinder coating specification, carburetor rebuild availability, chassis material grade. Craftsman spends more on badge tooling than Tanaka spends on an entire production run variation. One brand sells you a logo, the other sells you engineering precision you can measure with a specification sheet. Number 3 is the brand. The big box retailers do not want you to know about. Number 3. Solo by ALKO. German manufacturing. Mala Nickel cylinder. Walbro rebuildable carburetor. Magnesium chassis throughout. Price $480 to $850. Founded in 1948 in Sindelfingen, in the Black Forest region, where chainsaws were not a hobby tool, but a professional livelihood. The professional foresters who used solo saws in 1948 needed a saw that started every morning in sub-zero temperatures, ran all day under sustained load, and could be serviced in the field when something failed. A saw that could not meet those requirements was not purchased again. That standard has never changed. Craftsman sells $230 saws with chrome cylinders that score at 40 hours. The price promises durability. The construction delivers a disposal cycle. Solo builds the opposite product. Higher upfront cost, lower lifetime cost. The math only works if you plan to keep running the same saw for a decade. Most budget brands bet you will not. Solo bets you will. Number 2 will surprise you because it sits at the same price as the brands that disappoint. Number 2. Echo CS590 Timberwolf, 1947. Chiba, Japan. An agricultural equipment company that accidentally built one of the most reliable chainsaw platforms in North America. 59.8 cubic centimeters. Nickel cylinder. Magnesium crankcase. Fully rebuildable carburetor. 5-year consumer warranty. Assembled in Lake Zurich, Illinois. $450 retail. The same price as a Greenworks battery saw that fails after 1 cord of firewood. The same price as a Sunjoe that cannot be rebuilt when the carburetor fails. Echo delivers professional construction at a price point where every competitor delivers compromised construction. Mass market pricing. Professional build standard. The opposite of Craftsman's professional pricing with budget construction. Echo proves smart, buying exists at the homeowner price point. So what brand could possibly beat Echo at number 1? Number 1. Stihl MS271 Farm Boss. German engineering that has weighed the same, cut the same, and been rebuilt the same way since 1926. The MS271 retails for $480. The cylinder coating is Mahle Nickel. The carburetor is a Walbro rebuildable unit with kits available today for saws built 40 years ago. The chassis is magnesium. The dealer network has more than 10,000 independent service locations across North America. Stihl has been the #1 selling chainsaw brand on Earth since 1971. Craftsman charges $230 for a saw with sealed carburetors and chrome cylinders. Sunjoe and Remington follow the same playbook. The more a brand spends telling you how good it is, the less it spends making something that proves it. Stihl spends nothing on telling, everything on proving. The construction is the brand. The brand is the construction. They are the same thing. When engineering precision makes marketing irrelevant, you have found the answer. Stihl does not sell chainsaws. It sells evidence. Measurable, rebuildable, undeniable. Construction always wins.